Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new videos and updates on my channel. And if you want to make sure you never miss a video, make sure to hit the notification bell as well. That way, you'll get a notification every time I upload something new. Thanks for your support, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Here's a recipe on how to make sweet pomegranate fruit with yogurt and vanilla. Close-up of a ripe pomegranate fruit on a cutting board. Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy snack sweet pomegranate fruit with yogurt and vanilla. This recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or a midday snack, and it's packed with nutrients. Washing and cutting the pomegranate fruit. To get started, we need one ripe pomegranate fruit. Cut it into halves and gently remove the arils. Scooping the pomegranate arils into a bowl. Transfer the arils to a mixing bowl and set them aside. Mixing yogurt, honey, and vanilla extract in a bowl. Next, we need half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients in a separate bowl until well combined. Shot, a person pouring the yogurt mixture over the pomegranate arils. Pour the yogurt mixture over the pomegranate arils and gently stir until all the arils are coated with the yogurt. Scooping the sweet pomegranate fruit with yogurt and vanilla into a serving bowl or glass. Finally, transfer the sweet pomegranate fruit with yogurt and vanilla to a serving bowl and enjoy. Taking a spoonful of the sweet pomegranate fruit with yogurt and vanilla and smiling. Recipe. I hope you try this sweet pomegranate fruit with yogurt and vanilla and enjoy it as much as I do. See you in the next video.